Hey guys, this is B and welcome back to my channel. So today what I'm going to share with you is my 2021 planner lineup. So the first one is this A5 5-year journal. This is the current leather case that my husband made for me, and then inside it actually contains two things. So this actually is a section for holding my iPad, so whenever I want to do things digitally. And then second, this is the A5 5-year Techo, dated for 2021 to 2025. And then this is where you'll see my Cookie Monster pencil board, which I did on my second Hobonichi unboxing. And this one came from the first unboxing video. And then it closes just like this, and then I just slot here. So for the planner itself, I have 3 items, and this is what I'm going to use for January 2021. And this is the Hobonichi Techo 2021 planner. So this is the English version, and this is how it looks like inside. And then the pencil board that I use here would be the Sesame Street, so both of which came from the first unboxing. The cover came from the second one. And then at the far end I have this folder that puts in my stickers. And then this thing right here where I can use interchangeably from here into any of these two. So this weekly 2021 A6 supplement, which actually has the calendar inside. And then inside all of the entries are in weekly format. This will primarily serve as anything like a work planner, because I want the journal style and then the work thing separate, while on my current 2020 planner it actually has, wait, let me get the empty one. So this is, so from this it becomes this one, because I notice I'm not really writing too much in terms of work, or if there is, most of them are written digitally, but for important things such as meetings or any to-do list or tasks that I need to do, this will be perfect for me. And then this I purchased from Stickerific, since they have one in stock. And this is an A6 Hobonichi notebook. And then inside it's just plain paper. And so it's just gridded. And every few pages or so, like for this one, this is a different color. And then let me move. And then it changes to this type of color. And then I know there's 4. Yeah, this is another one. And then the last one looks like this. So primarily these are for notes or handwriting practice, or anything that it'll be like some sort of a catch-all before I put things in here, or if ever I have combination of these two, usually it'll be placed in here, since on my current 2020 setup I have the idea notebook which I use for that one. So after utilizing the Jibun Techo B6 Slim, and since I've gotten around to restricting myself in terms of the sizes or what I needed to write, I'm much more comfortable in writing in A6. So I have, once again, the work planner, the catch-all. This will be the journal. And then this is for 5-year memory keeping. Thanks for watching.